bit at the hot buys at Costco today. Okay, these aren't part of the hot buys, but they have the Keurig Cups Donut Shop Coffee Regular, 100 count, $10 off, $36.99 through May the 5th. And same thing with the Newman Special Blend K-Cups, 100 count, medium roast coffee, organic, $36.99, $10 off. Okay, so this is one of the hot buys. This one is good through May the 5th. And then they have the Snapple Zero Sugar Iced Tea Variety, 24 count, 20 ounce, $5 off, $13.99. You get 8 raspberry, 8 lemon, and 8 peach teas. And you have the Country Archer Mango Habanero Jerky, 16 ounces, $5 off, $12.99. Another hot buy, Kellogg's Nutri-Grain Soft Baked Breakfast Bars, 64 count, $12.99, $5.50 off, and you get 32 strawberry, 16 blueberry, 16 apple cinnamon. And then the Brita filters for the pitcher, 10 pack, $12 off, $32.99. Make an impact. 10 filters replaces 3,000 bottles. And then the Brita Champlain pitchers. The Brita Champlain pitcher, and you get 2 filters, $12 off, $21.99. And you replace the filter every 2 months or 40 gallons. And Shark Air Purifier with anti-allergen HEPA tech. So it's a little under waist high. It's $50 off for $199.99. Pure Air Microforce, fast, powerful, quiet purification, 1,350 square feet of cleaning power. This is that hose that they have, the Flex-On contractor grade hose. 100 feet long, $5 off, $22.99. Certainly heavy duty. You have a Downy Fresh Protect April Fresh, 34 ounces, these little beads. $360 off, $13.99. We have a Swiffer Sweeper HD Wet Cloth Refill, 54 refills, $14.99 after $4 off. And it's the lavender scent. We have a Carol Hockman Ladies Wire-Free Bra 2-pack, $14.99. Seamless Comfort Bra, a couple of different colors. Various sizes, of course. Okay, these are not part of the hot buys, but still, this ends on April the 15th. It's not a pressure washer. This is the pressure washer. Greenworks 2000 PSI, $189.99 after the rebate. And the 18-inch chainsaw from Greenworks, $319.99 after an $80 rebate. And also ending on the 15th is this blower. It's pretty lightweight, 50 bucks off, $199.99. Okay, the trimmer, $50 off. Trim up to 1.2 miles on a single charge, $199.99, and that ends on April the 25th. Okay, this ends on the 3rd. There's a lot of people getting these. It's 27-gallon storage bins, $7.99. Ends on the 3rd of April. Here's the 4-pound MV apples that are on sale. $1.50 off, $5.49. So you get, what, 10 apples in a bag? Okay, not part of the hot buys. This is lasagna primavera made with cheese and vegetables. $4.20 off, $9.79 for 40 ounces, and it expires on the 7th. Alright, so they have the Red Bull 24 8.4 ounce cans. Regular. They're sugar-free, $8 off, $29.99 after the discount. So here's the Tide April Fresh 111 loads. So $4 off, we put it at $15.99. It's not marked yet.
You heard me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, when you saw the 0 sugar one. That's
Okay.
the one you talking about.
Yeah, and it's in the cooler. Okay.
Look, the third box. If you go this way, the third white box. Look
Yeah.
past 1, 2.
Right.
So when you turn left,
Okay.
be right there by past the OJ.
Perfect. Okay, past the OJ. Perfect. That's great. Thank you.
Right where it's at. All right?
Okay, and then there's this carnitas. Is it going to be in the same place too?
What you got? Bliss?
No, carnitas.
Whoa, no.
That's going to be in that other section where they have those.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah. Right. Okay.
Anything else?
Yes, I'm good. Let's see. I'm looking for the Charmin, but I don't see that it's. I
It's
think.
on the Sherman.
Yeah. I think so. But I mean, is it on discount? Because I don't see the sale.
It must be. Well, what you talking about? It's on sale?
Oh, it says Charmin Ultra Soft Bath Tissue 2-ply.
Yeah. That would be it.
This is it. Your help. Thank you. Yes, sir. That's what the price is right now. The organic raw kombucha, Clear Mind Island Mango Super Berry, 6 14-ounce glass bottles. It's $4 off, $7.99. You were moving it over here. Okay. No, I hear you. No. I just wanted to take a look at it. I found it exactly where you said, right next to the OJ.
I can tell you everything at the store. You understand? That's what
Yeah, I hear you. Thank you so much.
Take care. Man.
You too. Okay, so there's Charmin Ultra Soft 30 rolls, 213 sheets a roll, $23.49 after the $6.50 discount. It's kind of torn open right here. But yeah, good stuff. Okay, so here are the Del Real Carnitas slow cooked pork, 40 ounces, originally $18.99. And you get $5 off, so it'd be $13.99. That seems like a pretty good deal. I don't see the chocolate cranberry cookies. Oh, maybe those are it. Nope. So I don't see the chocolate cranberry cookies that are $2 off a package. So here's the Hidden Valley Ranch. Two 40-ounce bottles. $53.50 off. Make them $9.99. Originally $12.49. Okay. Parmesan cheese from Kraft. 24-ounce bottle. $4.99 after $3 off. Do you know where I find this? Is that going to be the next aisle over? I didn't see it.
I don't know.
Okay.
Because I don't work for them.
Okay, all right, no problem.
Mine's the nice with the ring jacket on.
Okay, I'll look. Thank you. Let's see here. It's probably over there. Jesus. So they're $10.99, 3-berry blend. Raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, 4-pound bag. Great for smoothies. Good source of vitamin C, good source of fiber. The pharmacist told me that they don't have a lot of these things like Vapor Rub because it's a seasonal item. So we don't have all of these hot buys that are included. But the Zip Fizz 30-count variety, $24.99 after $5 off. 30 tubes. Zero sugar, 4 to 6 hours of energy. It does have the Nature Made flaxseed oil, 300 count, $13.49 after $3.50 off. The Omega-3 plant-based Omega-3, 720 milligrams, $23.99. Now here's the emergency. I don't know why she told me they didn't have it. But the emergency orange, 60 orange, 30 raspberry, 90 count, $21.99 after discount, so 120 packages. 60 super orange, 30 raspberry, 30 tangerine, $21.99. And then here's the Olay Pro Advance Regenis Complex, $9 off from $45.99. I had trouble finding the Seeds of Change. Quinoa. I had trouble finding the Seeds of Change. It was over here by the Idaho Spuds, hash brown potatoes, and the mac and cheese. But seeds of change, 6 pouches organic quinoa and brown rice with garlic. 6 8.5 ounce pouches. $12.69, and they are $3.50 off. Okay, Metamucil 2-pack, $35.99 after the sale. 130 teaspoons in each container, 260 total. This isn't marked properly yet, but the Mikasa stainless steel flatware set, 20 pieces, and you get 4 sets with the 20 pieces. So salad fork, dinner fork, knife, these 2 spoons. If I were cultured, I know what the 2 different spoons are for. But it is a heavy-duty stainless steel piece, so definitely worth it. But $29.99 and $6 off, so $23.99 after the discount. And that's going to do it for all the hot buys at Costco. They didn't have everything in that pharmacist section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.